In the previous videos, we talked about some automation of Excel using ChatGPT, and in today we are going to go a little bit further and write a to-do application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript using ChatGPT's capabilities. So let's ask ChatGPT whether it can write a to-do application for us or not. So let's paste our prompt here. I'm asking ChatGPT to write code for a to-do app in JavaScript, CSS and HTML where items are added and removed dynamically, and when an item is checked, then it is lined through. Style the app beautifully with CSS and write all the code in one file. I'm asking to write all the code in one file because it's a small application, we can manage it in one file. Therefore, it's good to write all the code in one file. Let's press enter and wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. Okay, here is a simple to do implemented using JavaScript, CSS and HTML. So it is going to write the code for us, and it has already started writing the code. We will be waiting for a few seconds until it finishes the code. Then we will copy the code from here, go to Visual Studio Code and paste the code in a file there, and then run the application. So ChatGPT has stopped writing the code right here. Let's ask it to continue because the code is not finished yet. So we are asking it to continue, and it will start again from the place where it left. Okay, ChatGPT has finished writing the code, so let's copy all the code from start to bottom and paste it in Visual Studio Code. So I've copied the code and to do two application in Visual Studio Code. I've created index.html file. Let me paste the code here. Let's go and copy the remaining code as well. Let me copy it from here and go to Visual Studio Code and paste it right there. We can see that there are some operators that are not displayed in the code that we copied from here. So let's go there, display the characters. Let's go there and add the missing characters. Okay, that is done. Let's copy the remaining code, paste it there, and this is the last code, so let's copy and paste it there. Let's save the file. Save, go to Chrome browser and let's go to do application and see. Okay, so this is the to do application that ChatGPT created. Let's go to shop, press enter, and that is added. Let's meet friends, add, that is added, and the item is checkable when I check the item. So it is styled as line through when I click the remove button, and it is removing the item. So this is what we wanted, and ChatGPT gave us this application. We can add some more functionalities that we want. We can style the add button, we can style the remove button, and we can do anything we want. So this is a mini to-do application that is created by ChatGPT. So the more functionality you want, the more it will be added by ChatGPT. Just ask it, for example, modify the application above, style the add button beautifully, and when I press enter, the add button should be clicked. If I press enter here, then ChatGPT is going to think for a few seconds, and it is going to modify the code for us. It is starting from the scratch again. So let's wait for a few seconds again and then copy this code to Visual Studio Code and run the application again. Okay, ChatGPT has finished modifying the code for us. So let's copy the code all over from scratch. Go to Visual Studio Code, remove the existing code, paste the new one, and let's copy the remaining code as well. Here is the remaining code. So let's align the code, copy the remaining code, paste it here, and then close the body and close HTML. So this is the modified version of the code that ChatGPT provided to us for the TODO application. Let's save everything, go to Chrome and refresh the page. The changes that we wanted have been brought to the application. Let's start. Go to the store, press enter. When I press enter, we can see that the record is added below. So if I say meet friends, watch movie, and items are added dynamically. When I check each item, they are lined through, so it means we have done this. If I remove any item, yes, it can be removed from any position. So this is a mini TODO application that we created through ChatGPT. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted here. Thanks for watching.